Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Monday, May 30th, and happy Memorial Day. And thank you so much to everybody who has served our country. Really, really appreciate that. All right, guys, Bitcoin. What are we going to be looking at this week? Well, it's impossible for us to head up if we don't get basically a short squeeze and, long traders getting what they want. And I want to show that to you guys this week. I do still believe if we have to come in here and we have to predict a $36,000 move or a $20,000 move, I really do believe we're going to hit $36,000 first, okay? I want to go over that in today's video. We're going to be going over the emotional index, the long versus short trades, the market cap strength, which is just crazy how much that's going up here. Trades in favor, well institutional smart money, support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we're going to end the day with a trade setup. Speaking of trade setups, guys, we are 122 wins with only one loss. I'll try to find it real quick here. If I can't, that's okay. But we're 122 wins, one loss. That one loss was on Luna. And guys, we've been scalping a lot lately on this YouTube channel. So the last 5 trade calls called out for scalping trades have all won. And you guys won the AVAX trade that I called out on, I believe it was Friday that we called out AVAX. And it went up to it blew past 4%. So great job to everybody who won that. Make sure you guys are just aware of this. You have 48 hours left to get our indicators. They are going up in price. All of the scalping that we do, you guys need to be using those. So in the description, go ahead and click this. It's right here. Everything is 84% off. It's a one-time purchase. Want to make sure that's clear in the beginning of the video so you guys don't miss that, okay? I'll be talking about today, but make sure you guys snag them because I'm going to keep doing scalping videos next week, and then we're going to keep moving on, and that's how we've had the success we have had with the metrics. Okay, look at this. Here's what I'm going to dive into the indicators right now. Price versus well money flow. I'm going to take off price for 1 second so we can just look at the well money flow. Look at all this money moving into the market. Obviously, money's moving in, the price is moving up. But here's what I was just studying this morning. Partnering the price versus well money flow with the trend exhaustion. Do you guys see, and I was doing vertical lines because I want to just show this to you guys. Let's do a vertical line here. Let's look at the last time we saw this paired up, well money flow high and trend exhaustion high. So let's do both of these. And let's look at this over here. What we're seeing right now is a lot of times when we get up to this area, Bitcoin likes to see a drop back down in price. You can see literally every single time we've been here in the past, duration that we've just pulled, we saw a very nice drop here in the market. We saw the nice drop here. And then this pushed us into the channel trading, which I was telling you guys, scalping trades are like gold in channels, okay? This is where you guys want to be trading. Now, this morning, we're all waking up on May 30th, and we're at the top of the channel. Trend exhaustion is high. Well money flow is high. People are definitely going to be looking to short this, and they're going to be looking to short to the bottom of the channel. So everyone looking to short this morning, you guys are going to be looking for a profit. If you guys are going to short this, I would honestly try to get out of this at about 4 to 3%. The reason for that is it's not going to just keep ping-ponging back and forth. You're either going to have a long squeeze or a short squeeze. And this is what I believe is going to happen here, is going to be short squeezes. You need to understand something. Let me go over the metrics. I'll make more of a point here. When you guys have, let me pull this out here real quick. When you guys have a channel right here, you need to realize there's people shorting here, shorting there, and all of these areas you see up here, guys. A lot of people who are more greedy and they aren't following what we're teaching, and we're taking small profits out of the market. A lot of people are probably trying to short down to here or lower levels, like even 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000. So you've got a lot of money in here, guys, that is sitting in exchanges right now that is piling up as like a pool of money right around this area of about $30,000. $30,500 is where the majority of this is. So here's why I'm talking about a crazy move up here, because majority of people, and this is the sentiment that I'm hearing too, they think the market's just going to keep crashing. They're talking about interest rates. They're talking about, food shortages, all this type of stuff. So they're shorting the market. If this thing moves up, guys, and you need to be watching this level right here, if we move up to about 32,000, I'd say 32,500, it's an official break of the channel resistance, and it's a break of this resistance over here. That's going to start freaking out people who went short, because the channel's broken, and you're probably going to see a nice momentum move up here to $36,000 and potentially this week. That is exactly how we get the $36,000. It is short squeezing everybody who had the thought we're going to keep going down. Now, can we go back down? Yes, we absolutely can. And so if you guys want to take short trades this morning based off the metrics here, you guys can. Because I do think you can pull out potentially a 3 to 4%. But please just hear me out on this, guys. If I were to come in here and put money in, I think we have a greater chance of moving up, and I'll show you how to get into a long trade today on this video. to give good risk management. Now, let's move over here. Again, indicators, make sure you guys snag this 48 hours left. I'll do an email so you guys don't miss this. Go to the front page and I want to show you guys the metrics of Bitcoin right now. Look at this. Emotional index is sitting in the anxious section. Now, this will update every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we still have about an hour and 20 minutes here for this to update. So as we were anxious, we definitely are seeing the move back up here this morning. So we'll keep an eye on this. I want to show this to you guys. Long trades versus short trades. Long trades have been taking over a lot here. So kind of here's the deal. A lot of people think the market's going to go down because of bad news out there. And we're thinking that the S&P 500 is due for a crash. The housing market is too high. It's due for a crash. So everyone's looking for this everything bubble is what I've called it, that everything's just going to come crashing down. And it may, guys, it may. Here's something interesting is we're seeing a lot of money, however, flowing into crypto for Bitcoin here on this drop. And not only from this perspective here of long versus shorts, this is literally showing you guys the volume difference between long and shorts. The volume difference is insane on Bitfinex. A whole lot more people are going long than going short, okay? Now take a look at this. The market cap strength is continuing to rise here in a healthy fashion. We have a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, still looking for an uptrend pattern here. And this is happening while the market is actually going down. So let me get over here again. So as you see price action moving down here, you see the market cap strength. This shows you guys where all the money in crypto is going. That's the best way to say this. Out of all the trillions of dollars, where is the money being allocated? It is being allocated to Bitcoin right now. Ethereum's market cap strength, guys, is tanking right now. It's literally tanking. And so when you look at this, this shows a lot of bullishness for Bitcoin. Another reason why I think we're going to head up. And again, you guys have to watch this level at about 32,500 to short squeeze all the short traders. And that's where I'm looking for that. Really, honestly, guys, it's going to be a fast move up if we hit that, because everyone's going to be canceling their short trades. They're going to be turning around, covering their loss, and they're going to be going long. Okay, pretty awesome for long traders. Okay, trades in favor, sitting in the neutral section right here. So best time right now, set up a long trade, and I'll show that how you guys should do that. Institutional smart money. So we're seeing a little bit of, shorts come out here in the market. We did see a little bit of move down, but overall we're seeing this move up this morning. This was not a big aggressiveness, guys. The biggest aggressiveness that you can all see recently has been in long trades over here, buying the dip. And I'll show you this metric down here as well. I'll just skip to it right now. Look at this metric down here. Guys, we coded this to say, find me the bottoms. Find me the bottoms. That was like the number one thing in my mind. I'm like, I got to find the bottom. So we coded this, and this is giving you guys 3 opportunities to get money into this market. And now we're sitting up this morning on some of these coins, 6 to 10% on like Cardano here. Like the coin that everybody thought was going away. Guys, you've done like 10% in the last, 24 hours here if you put money in here. So we are seeing a decent turnaround in the market. Let me get back up here for a second. Resistances. The strongest resistance is just up here, basically 31,500. So it's just at channel high here. And then after this, the greatest resistance is probably about 32,000, literally 32,500 is where I'm looking at, is right about there. So that's why we need to pass that. And then once we get there, we can start seeing short traders get a little nervous, and then probably pushing up a little bit higher. The death cross, let's get into a trade setup now. The death cross 50 below the 200 moving average. We're just watching that. Watch for the white line to just absolutely slam up to this right here, and then we're going to be looking for that move back down. Okay. The trade setup today, I know you guys are looking at these indicators right here. You're like, it's high here. Can I just for a second bring you guys over to, I don't know, let's just even go to the daily. Let's go to the daily and the weekly time frame. Let's start on the weekly. I want to just be showing this to you guys. This down here is so ridiculously low on the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. When we've been down here before like this, guys, this is the bottom. This literally called the absolute bottom before we started seeing this actual huge move up in crypto. This is another just reason why I've been more bullish than a lot of other people in crypto. I'm seeing these signs here. I think we have a higher chance of moving back up here. Then you go to the daily over here, and we're coming from this lower level where trend exhaustion's been low, while money flow's been low, and we have not gotten anywhere close to retesting where we've been in the past. This has a bunch of room to be moving up. That's why you guys should be having the indicators. Watch them, set them up today. Get them ready for your charts. And guys, seriously, get these, because we're going to keep scalping this week. Okay, we've literally just blown through 5 trades. And if you did, I hope you used risk management. But percentage-wise, that's 20%. We've called out in the last, I think it was from May 18th until this previous Friday. So pretty cool. Like literally, if you did put all your money in, a little risky, but if you did, your account has grown 20% with the last 5 calls we've made. You need the indicators for that. And then if you guys are like, all right, tell me how to do it real quick. I'll get to the trade setup. I will. Just This is important because you guys are making the most money scalping right now. Go to the front page of our website and click this. Outside of Luna, because that's the anomaly of all coins right now, this scalping strategy has never lost. I'll teach you guys everything that we do for the scalping strategy. You need the indicators in the membership. Snag those guys. I'll talk about in a second here, but that's how you guys are going to be making the money. All right, let's get into that trade setup. Right now with Bitcoin, where things are at right now, you're having a little bit of indecision. I still feel stronger that you guys should be looking into long trades right now than putting your money in and expecting the short trades to come out. So here's what you guys can do. Let's say you've got $1,000. You split this into 4 equal portions. If you guys would like, you can use 3 because we're below the 50%. If you take the high and you take the low of Bitcoin, divide it by 2, the price is below halfway, okay? So say you have $1,000. Split it into 3 equal portions, and you guys place all your 3 portions, let's say 333 here, 333, and 333. Remember, this is going to update in about an hour and 20 minutes, so make sure you guys watch the updates here. Once you do that, you guys want to then set up a sell limit up here for 100% exit. All right. Now, watching this down here, once that is set up, follow me in Telegram, because here's what I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to call an exit on Bitcoin when we get back into the profit based off the trade that we're managing. Okay, so 2 things you need to follow. Here, let me show this to you guys, the one that we're actually in over here. So let me put this back on the chart. I keep track of everything over here just to make, I take it off for the analysis just so we can keep it clean. But let me show this to you guys. The trade setup we've been tracking over here, we've not hit the 4th buy limit yet, but we're currently at break even is at 46,000. So if you guys want to hold this trade you get into this morning till I exit, you guys are looking at about a 70% profit up here because I'm going to exit at structure high here. Now, a question you may be having is, okay, well, what if I want to exit sooner than that? Here's what I suggest you guys doing. What's going to happen is if we do break up here, you are going to see the trend exhaustion eventually move back down because we're going to do this to create a higher low, and then you guys are going to be looking for trend exhaustion to come back up into the top section. That is where you want to take the exit, right at that area. Because if I show this to you guys over here, when trend exhaustion's high, you are looking for that move back down, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Even over here in a range of market, like even when it gets high over here, you're still looking for these drops. There are no better indicators, guys, to call tops and bottoms in crypto. I haven't like released this on YouTube yet, but guys, we literally have a coding team that's trying to beat the trend exhaustion and the price for small money flow. We are literally trying to outcode ourselves right now to try to create something better, and we have not been able to do it. So it's like, I don't know. I just thought that'd be cool for you guys to know. Like, we have a research and development side of the business that we are trying to outperform what we teach you, what I teach you every single day on YouTube, just to make sure that we have the best strategy possible. And we have not been able to do it. I'll be honest, guys. We've come out, we've tested, and we actually have indicators we've coded. And I was even testing some over the weekend, and we just have not yet beat the trend exhaustion and price for money flow. And I've coded indicators for TradingView.com users for a living about 3 years ago. So, like, guys, when I say these are the best indicators to use, like, take some time today. You have 48 hours left. Like, get into this and use coupon code SAVEMONEY. You'll get 84% off. You'll get all 9 of our indicators. These are the 3 that we use every single day on the YouTube analysis. But guys, these are the ones you want. 2 Forex indicators, never coded on TradingView before. We've got a pressure gauge indicator here, which is called the jackpot indicator. Like, set yourself up with this, guys, and I will be coming out with more scalping videos so you guys can use that. Literally, the last 5 trades for 4% each have all won on all the scalping videos we come out with on YouTube. That's 20% in your guys' account you could rebound if you went all in. Now, I don't suggest you go all in. Please hear that. I suggest you use at least 3 buy limits right now. But for those of you guys who did, and for those of you who know how to use leverage, you've been doing incredibly well lately. So let me keep teaching that to you guys, but you need that. Last but not least, you guys do need a membership over here. Really, it's the cheapest thing you guys will pay. $95 a month, all of the whale metrics for every coin, so you guys can track what they're doing. We use that in the scalping strategy. The Telegram channel where I keep you guys updated with everything. All the masterclasses. If you guys literally want to go from beginner to pro within about 48 hours, watch all the masterclasses. They're right up here. Okay, everything's labeled easily. Here's the masterclasses. Here's the Telegram. Here's the community chat. Here's the testimonials. Here's the inner circle where I go live with you guys every single month to talk about market stuff, Q&As, give you guys my insider opinion on some things. This is where you guys want to be. So much is provided with this one membership. We tried to cover everything you would need in crypto. So there you guys go. That's everything you need. All right. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Hey, maybe you guys will be back on here with some of these guys that are literally, this guy was the guy that took our call. He's like over $200 quick money on the Avalanche call. So I called this out on Friday, made a quick $200. This guy down here, he did use leverage. We're finding more out about how he's been able to do this. He did use leverage, just to be honest, guys. He took $150 and turned it into $3,000 with the indicators. Okay. $5,000 this guy made in one single week. This guy's making thousands of dollars per month with the indicators, and he's been undefeated in his trades. Again, guys, outside of Luna, we've never lost a trade. Follow the strategy we're teaching here. Okay, $2,777, and he has all three indicators now. Guys, they're using the indicators and strategy. What's one? I'll see if I can find one here that I haven't talked about for a while, just to make kind of fun. You guys know this, so $3,500 in a week. This guy pocketed $1,376 overnight. So that's pretty cool. All right, it's people using our indicators and the metrics. $43,000 with trend exhaustion, price as well, money flow. $100 to $400 a week on average. This guy up here actually is doing about $4,000 on average, just so you guys can see this. Just trying to give you guys some excitement of when you look at this, you're like, do other people have success with this? Yeah, guys, they have a lot of success here. Indicators, guys, trend exhaustion and precious money flow. I'm making about $4,000 a month. Okay. Pretty stinking awesome. All right, guys, have a good one. This guy feels like a god now that he has his our indicators, so that's pretty cool. Have a good one, guys. Snag those indicators in the description before they go up in 48 hours. Watch the videos for scalping, which is on the front page here. You guys have this right there. And then if you guys want to watch our main strategy video, go to Bitcoin or any of our charts, scroll down to the bottom and watch that video right there. All you guys need to trade crypto successfully. I love you guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much to everybody who served our country on Memorial Day. And we'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. Links are there. Click them, snag it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.